most likely not going to be able to record videos for a little while. At least not videos that I can upload easily to YouTube. See, one of the primary reasons that I wanted to start a YouTube channel was so that I would get better at filmmaking, with the intention of being able to use that for the work that I do here. And that happened a lot faster than I thought I would. So I've recorded 4 different interviews, 2 for a Bible college that's starting here in Papua New Guinea, 1 for a Bible dedication that happened just a little while ago, and 1 for a missionary who's going on furlough. And I don't see any sign of this slowing down or stopping anytime soon, which is fantastic. That's one of the primary reasons that I started doing this. But also, it means that I don't have a whole lot of time for doing YouTube-based videos at this point. Couple that with the fact that a lot of our team is either out of the country or on furlough speaking at churches in America right now, and I really don't have time for anything. I'm going to have to take a little bit of a break. I'm not by any means done making YouTube videos. This has been really enjoyable, and even if I just make videos for me to watch in the future, I plan on continuing. But I think I'm going to have to put everything on pause for right now so I can focus on finishing the edits for the interviews that I've already recorded and doing a good job at the work that I came here to do. I'm not gone, but I am taking a break. I will, however, be uploading to Instagram with pictures and possibly even some very short videos that I've got, just because editing one picture takes a lot less time than editing one of these videos. So hopefully I will be able to continue to do that. This week has been utter chaos and I haven't even had time to do that. But maybe someday in the future I'll be slightly less busy and I'll be able to get back to doing that. So the link for my Instagram is in the description if you're interested in that kind of thing. If you're not, then I'll see you when we get slightly less busy and I have time to keep uploading here, because I have a lot of things that I want to make videos about. Thanks for watching, guys.